Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making flower sushi roll for Girls Festival. The 3rd of March is Japanese Girls Festival. We celebrate the day with special menu like this, wishing the girls happiness and health. Let's get started. You can make this amazing sushi roll with a few ingredients. But maybe it's not easy to find cod roll in your area. In that case, use Furikake instead. First, blanch the spinach. Or you can use any other green vegetables you have on your hand. Blanch 1 minute or 1 minute and a half and soak them in the cold water and squeeze out the moisture gently and cut into 2 lengthwise. Takuwan comes in the middle of the sushi, so it should be round in shape. Cut off the corner and make it like a pencil. It should not too strictly round, but almost round. You can use tamagoyaki instead. And I'm making a pinkish colored sushi rice with the cod roll. We are going to remove the thin skin. This is how I do. Place the cod roll onto a piece of plastic wrap and cut open the thin skin. And open and attach the skin to the plastic and scrape out the inside. This is a little bit annoying job, but in this way you can take out all the egg with no waste. The ingredients are ready, so let's start shaping it. Transfer your freshly cooked sushi rice into a bowl and sprinkle the sushi vinegar. Mix the rice and sushi vinegar in cutting motion until all the moisture absorbs into sushi rice. Be careful not to break the rice grain. Mix very well until all the sushi rice is covered with the sushi vinegar. Take the half of the sushi rice into another bowl and mix cod roll into the half of the sushi rice. Mix until evenly distributed. We are making 2 half-size sushi rolls. We need 1.5 seat for 1 sushi roll. Fold in half and cut into 3. Be careful not to break the nori. And cut into 3 and you have 6 small pieces of nori. And you need another half seat of nori. Before start shaping, prepare a vinegary water beside you. It will help prevent rice sticking to your hand. For the small nori, put 1 tablespoon of pink sushi rice onto it and make a small sushi roll. You can do it by your hand, but it's easy to use sushi mat to pick up the edge. Maybe it's not easy to shape into a roll, but hold the edge of your side and pull it until it meets the other side. And squeeze and shape into a round shape. Repeat the process. And you will need 4 more small rolls. And you have 5 small sushi rolls and a piece of nori. Take sushi mat on your hand and put 2 pieces of small sushi roll on top. Place the takuwan in the center and place the rest of the sushi roll around it. And place spinach in between the small sushi roll to fill the gap. And use the last piece of nori to hold it together. It's not long enough to wrap around, but you can stop them from falling apart. Squeeze to put them together and set aside. Place the half seat of the nori on sushi mat. Take a quarter of the sushi rice on your palm and shape into a ball and place on top of the nori and spread a little by little like this. Place your palm on the left-hand side and use them as a guide and spread it until the rice covers the nori. And do the same to the other side. And then spread the center part. And do the same to the bottom half. Thanks to Chef Tetsu, I can make a perfect sushi roll now. Please check his channel if you want more information about the sushi. And place the prepared sushi on top and roll it up. Take the edge and put it up all the way to the other side. And squeeze. Let's see from the other angle. Place your flour sushi 1/3 from your side and take the edges of the sushi mat with your index fingers and thumb and hold your flour sushi with your other fingers and roll it up all through the edge. Roll them in the sushi mat and squeeze to put it together. And there you have it. Now let's cut into bite-sized pieces. Moisten your knife with water to prevent from sticking. Move your knife back and forth not to squash the sushi rice. And the moment of truth. It comes out so perfect. I'm so happy to see this. I want to serve this sushi with my spring favorite. Grilled chicken marinated into shiokoji and blanched nanohana, and fresh wakame and asari in season the clear soup. And I made a tricolor milk pudding for dessert. Tricolor represents the spring in our culture. Green represents the grass and white represents the remaining snow in the mountain, and the pink shows the sakura cherry blossom. Do you have this kind of girls' festival in your culture? Let me know in the comment. Maybe this kind of festival is old-fashioned, but this is our culture related to food and I love it. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!